The Rack Shop is proud to present this 5th generation Toyota 4Runner that previously had the factory raised side rails. We removed those to install the Front Runner Slimline II platform tray system. So this is the 3/4 unit. You can see it stops just before the sunroof. Tray is aluminum, comes with the front wind fairing that you see underneath the tray here. T-slots on the planks, both top and bottom side, along with T-tracks along the perimeter rail. So connecting the tray to the vehicle is the 4Runner foot rails, those utilizing the factory connection points from Toyota. And those are made of steel. So a really good, strong system. So this is great, if you want to really upgrade your rack to be able to carry something substantial, but not cover your sunroof, this is a great option. They do have a full-length roof rack system if you want to go that route. So with this high carrying capacity, suitable for most rooftop tents, awnings, pretty much any gear you want to throw at it. So a great low profile, strong system. This has just been a quick walk around. For more details, pricing, availability, or to buy the kit, click on the link in the description below, and that'll take you back to our website for all that good detail. So that's it for this walk around, but like always, thanks for watching.